Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up RSI on Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll add the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, to your chart so you can quickly gauge momentum and potential overbought or oversold conditions. RSI is a popular oscillator that typically ranges from 0 to 100, with many traders watching 70 and 30 as reference levels. We'll keep the process simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on an account mode that suits your needs, such as a practice or live environment. Once the platform is ready, move to the main charting area. If a symbol isn't already displayed, type 1 into the symbol box so you can see a live chart. This helps you confirm that the RSI loads correctly when we add it. Now look toward the top right area of the chart for the study's control. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a button or icon near other chart tools. This is where Thinkorswim keeps its technical indicators. Click on Studies to open the menu. You'll see options for managing indicators, and we're going to use the one that adds a new study to the chart. Hover your mouse over Add Study. This reveals a long, alphabetized list of available indicators. Be patient as the list appears. There are many studies available, and it may take a moment to navigate. To make things easier, follow the alphabetical grouping. Move down to the RS section. This is where indicators starting with the letters R through S are organized. Hover over that group to expand it. Within that expanded list, locate RSI, short for Relative Strength Index, and click it. The RSI will be added to a lower panel beneath your price chart. By default, it usually appears with a 14-period setting and horizontal guidelines around 70 and 30. If you see the RSI line updating as candles move, you're all set. Take a moment to read the panel. When the RSI line pushes higher toward the upper band, it can signal stronger upward momentum. When it dips toward the lower band, it can point to weakening momentum. For context, viewing different chart timeframes can change the character of the signal, so feel free to try various intervals after you've placed the study. If you prefer different colors or levels down the road, those options are available via the study's settings. That's it. Your RSI is now set up on Thinkorswim and ready to support your analysis.